Hey everyone, there is no better way to get a quick pop of color in your fall garden than with a pot of mums. And I picked this 1 gallon pot up yesterday at the home center for about $4, so pretty good bargain as well. And I'm just going to slip it right into this pot and probably put it on my front steps, although I'm kind of liking the way these colors are working back here on my patio, so I might leave this as my tabletop arrangement too. When I'm buying mums in the fall, I always like to look for them in bud instead of in full bloom, because I'll get to enjoy the color in my garden longer if I make sure that I see all of the blooms in my garden instead of only some of them. And they'll fade, they fade more quickly if they're already in bloom. But I do like to buy them where there are a few buds blooming, so you can see the actual color that they bloom in, because sometimes the buds might look like they'll be pink and then they open and it turns out to be a white mum, or maybe they look orange when they're in bud and then they turn out to be yellow. So it's good to have a few so you know what the actual final color will be.